Hello friends, welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Join me today as my sister and I shop Aldi's. I live in Utah and we do not have an Aldi's. I wish we did. I wish it would migrate over here to Utah because the prices there are amazing. My parents used to live in the Chicago area, so every time we would go to Illinois and visit them, I was excited to join my mom and go to Aldi's. There's always new things there, their types of store brands. The pricing of them were amazing and the food tasted great. So I wish we had one here. But over this summer in June, I was in North Carolina visiting my family and my sister and I went to Aldi's. So I'm about to show you my experience in Aldi's, not having been in there for years. I was blown away and I'm quite jealous. So join me as my sister and I shop Aldi's.
Put it in, then what? Ah. Gluten-free cauliflower crackers. Oh, interesting. Penguins instead of fishies. How cute is that? That's adorable. Ooh, I love anything garden vegetable.
Yeah.
Oh, anything garden vegetable. Yum. Thin wheat instead of wheat thin. Wine for when you're going crazy.
We don't have teens or anything.
She has 2 teen girls, so might want to grab yourself a couple of bottles, actually.
Yes.
Chocolate chip brioche, whatever it's called. Wow. $1.49 for bagels. Gluten-free bread, Ash. Gluten-free, $4.25. No, $5.49. Gluten-free bread's always expensive. So they have gluten-free wraps. My sister likes that idea. $1.75 for like a hoagie rolls. Oh, that's nice. English muffins. $1.15. Wow, $1.15 for English. Well, they're not the brand English muffins, but they're English muffins. Have Hawaiian sweet rolls. 12 in a pack. $1.29. 99 cents for wheat bread. 59 cents for white sandwich bread. 95 for this one. 59 and 79 cents for hot dog buns and hamburger buns. What? 75 cents a pound for green grapes?
You like green grapes?
Yeah. Are you serious? Okay, Ashley gets the list. She's in charge of that. While I am just in La La Land here. Mushrooms. So we need sliced, or we could slice them our own. $1.39 per slice, or 99 cents. And the whole ones always look better, in my opinion. And they're cheaper. Look at this broccoli. Broccoli crowns, $1.45. Flat leaf spinach, $1.19. Wow, 89 cents for shredded, like salad. Lobster roll dip? What? What? Crab rangoon dip?
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side. It makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are
Oh my gosh. Look at this. They're like crescent rolls. They're biscuits, 95 cents. Pie crust, $1.49. that's pretty comparable. Mayonnaise $1.75, Duke's $3.34, so that's pretty comparable, but their generic is $1.75. Their mustard is 46 cents for this big one. Wow. That's crazy. For the organic ketchup, $1.65. Wow. Look at this. This big thing of ketchup is 99 cents. Wow.
We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Yeah, we got the summer forever. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow, but this day will live on forever. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow.
Their 40 ounce is $2.29 for their 40 ounce. We have natural creamy peanut butter as well. Looks like that for $1.19. Cream of mushroom Campbell's is 94 cents. The Fit and Active is 50 cents.
Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. No, it is way too late, but I just can't get my eyes off you. Maybe we will regret this, but tomorrow is another day. And I will do anything to get your love. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, ooh, let's turn up the love. Might have been one too many. Should go home to my bed, sleep it off. But I can't stop believing you're the one I'ma be with tonight. So I will do anything to make you mine. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, ooh, let's turn up the love. I've been dreaming about a life, a house, a dog, the whole shebang. I want you there right by my side, baby, please, to hold me tight throughout the night. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. Oh, hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Oh yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because
That was so fun, and the pricing on everything was amazing. It blew me out of the water. Now, I know that was filmed in June, and it is now September. If you are in, well, I guess North Carolina, are the prices of the things that I shared the same right now? Have you seen any inflation, or are they about right? So when we were there, we shopped specifically for some freezer meals for my sister and her family. She has loved all of them. A lot of you have seen that video, but if you haven't, the link will be below. It's an Aldi's freezer meal video, and it was so affordable, so affordable. And I think that's when I am drawn to Aldi's. Good quality, and the affordability is amazing. If you live in an area with an Aldi's, is it cheaper to shop at Aldi's versus Walmart? I would love to know. Please leave it down below. I would love to know below, what are your go-to things that you'll go to Aldi's versus another store? I would love to see.